School can be tough, but everyone learns different.
When you were at school, what kind of student were you?
Well, I was a bit of a rat bag. Didn't enjoy sitting down in class. I was never an academic person, always was a hands-on person. So I'd muck around in class and got sent out of the class plenty of times.
Did you feel different to other kids? Why or why not?
Personally, I always knew I struggled. So I was sort of like, looking at other kids going, they're, lucky them, they know how to figure out that question, or they can write a, 10-page essay. Or luckily for me, the school I went to had the program hands-on, and that was a big help for me getting to where I am now.
What sort of activities did you do in the hands-on learning program, and what sort of skills did you gain from it?
We did a lot, so helping fix things in classrooms and working on like veggie gardens. We actually did end up going out into the real world and just showing you what the workforce is really like.
In the hands-on learning program, what was your favourite thing to do?
Probably my favourite thing to do would have had to be in the billy cart races we used to do. We had to come up with a billy cart, build one, we then had to race them, and just best fun I reckon you could have.
How did the program hands-on learning change the way you behaved?
School was tough for me, so getting that chance to go use the skills that I already had and learn more skills was just, it was so good. And, you feel a lot more confident doing things, and you want to do the work, you want to work hard, because then, you feel good about yourself when you work hard.
How did your grades change when you used the program hands-on learning?
Before, when I first did school, I thought it was the biggest waste of time, but then after doing the hands-on, I realised that there definitely was a purpose being at school. So the grades started going up again, which was good.
Do you have any regrets?
Probably my biggest regrets at school were not trying to learn at my full potential, just giving up on things, but I soon got over that with people showing me that if I try hard, even if you do fail, it's not the end of the world. There is always other things out there.
What's the most important thing you learn in school?
It's okay to not know what you're doing, but always give it a go. Get help from a teacher or ask another student. Give it a red hot crack, pretty much.
Hi Caleb, when you were young, were you picturing yourself where you are now?
Yeah, from a young age I've always wanted to do carpentry. My grandpa was actually a carpenter when he was younger and did his apprenticeship. It's been something I've wanted to do for a long time.
What advice do you have for people who are finding it hard at school?
School can be tough, but everyone learns different, and there's always something else out there that'll suit you better.